Now we have seen earlier how the solid gets converted into a liquid state. In a liquid state, we have particles which are free to move about anywhere within the liquid, but they cannot leave the volume of the liquid. Alright. Now, although they cannot leave the volume of the liquid, there are some particles within this liquid also that have sufficient energy to leave the volume of the liquid, but most of the particles do not have that energy and they stay within the volume of the liquid. Now, if we now supply some heat to this liquid like this, then what will happen is the particles start getting more and more energy and they start moving with this increased energy. So if we put a thermometer within this liquid, we'll see an increase in temperature. That is because of the increased energy of the particles of the liquid. If we go on increasing this heat, what will happen? Gradually more and more particles will free themselves from this liquid arrangement and will move over to the gaseous arrangement. And there will come a time when what will happen, almost all the particles from within the this liquid will start changing from their liquid arrangement and they will start moving on to the gaseous arrangement. This will take place at a fixed temperature, and at this fixed temperature the entire liquid is getting converted into gaseous state. So that fixed temperature at which this entire liquid is getting converted into gaseous state is called boiling. We'll just take a look at a video which shows this process. Now as the temperature increases, you can see a little bit of bubbles are coming up. So some of the particles are changing their state from liquid to gas, but gradually as the heat is increased, you will find that there comes a time at a particular temperature when almost all the particles from within the liquid start changing into gaseous state. So when all the particles from within the liquid start changing into gaseous state, we have this situation, and this situation is called boiling. And when this takes place, the temperature will not increase in the thermometer. Okay, the temperature will continue to be the same as long as all these particles totally do not get converted from the liquid state into the gaseous state. So what do we have? We have a process in which the particles are getting converted from the liquid state to the gaseous state due to supply of energy. And we also have a situation in which at a fixed temperature almost all the particles are simultaneously getting converted into gaseous state, right? So when the particles are getting converted into gaseous state at any temperature, means all the particles are not simultaneously getting converted, but some are getting converted. That can take place at any temperature. That process is called evaporation. Okay, so evaporation is a process. We'll just get this thing out from here. I'll write it down that evaporation is a process that takes place at any temperature, and in this process what happens, particles in liquid state at the surface of the liquid change into the gaseous state. Okay, and what is boiling? boiling is a process boiling is a process that takes place at a fixed temperature. Okay, it takes place at a fixed temperature, and throughout the volume of the liquid, and all the particles in the liquid during this process change from liquid state to the gaseous state. Okay, and the temperature at which this takes place, that is this phenomenon takes place, this phenomenon of boiling takes place, that fixed temperature at which this thing takes place is called the boiling point of the liquid. Okay, that is what? That is the fixed temperature at which this phenomenon takes place. So we have now seen how matter changes from liquid state to the gaseous state. We'll come back in a later video to see actually what happens during the process of melting and boiling. And as we have mentioned that the temperature does not change either during the process of melting or during the process of boiling. In our next video, we shall see why the temperature does not change although heat is being supplied to the substance during the process of melting or during the process of boiling.